Cherif Medawar here, and I want to mention to you that every week we have people calling the office saying that they are doing deals and they have deal flow, but they're running out of capital. They want to be able to jump in on these great opportunities that are appearing in the market. And the ultimate solution was set up a real estate fund. Come and see how we've done it. We've done it decade after decade. I've been in the business for over 40 years. Talking about real estate funds, how you can set up your own fund and raise capital from people, how to do it the right way, and how to deploy capital in good real estate investments. So I'll talk about different ways to invest the money, because when you raise other people's money, you don't want to make mistakes. It's how to set up real estate funds to make better, more reliable, and steadier profit. When I look for a deal, I'm looking first of all for the safety factor. Most important thing, is this safe? I'm going to put money in it. If it's my money, if investors' money, I'm always mixing my money with the investors, so I put money in my own real estate fund. You do this, you can't fall, you can't fail. I am the evidence of it. I started my fund in 2009 when the economy had collapsed. Look, for you to fail when you work with me, you have to make an effort to just sit and watch TV only. This is what I just shared with you, is what makes a difference between somebody who can actually learn and apply and somebody who learns and forgets. What's his security? Who is the syndicator? The fund manager or the sponsor? I want to get you started. I want you to understand the differences, and I want you to see how in just an hour call you will understand how this whole thing works, from strategy to structure to system to exactly how to automate it to be able to scale it and sustain it. Register below for the August 17th. I'm going to cover so much, and I'll even open it for questions and answers. So start preparing your questions for that call. Thank you so much. Register below, and I'll see you on August 17th on the Zoom call. Thank you. All the best.